Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got another electric truck. It's a 2024 Chevy Silverado EV. This casting is by Matchbox and it was new for 2024. Which is actually surprising because they got the same year car launch, like the casting launch in the same year, which is really quick. It does look like a good casting, especially for a mainline. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Silverado out of its packaging, and it does look good, especially this blue paint with black. It looks really good. So let's start from the front. Up front you got nice details. You got detailed headlamp, Chevy badge, the big DRL bar that goes on the top. This grille is, I don't think it's a working grille because it's an electric truck. You actually have a frunk up here, so no engine and stuff. But yeah, again, the lower black trim looks good with it. Also, you can see it has got the top part finished in the plastic glass kind of stuff. It's not metal, but again, Matchbox has done to show it like a different part because some of it has a different finish on the top, and then the clear one, like the glass and the windscreen, they have different finish. You got both the windscreen wipers and both the mirrors, which is good. Now let's move to the driver's side. Again, looks good on the side. You got the black plastic trim going on the wheel flare. You got the side steps here, good details. Put the door handles. Silverado written here. E is in blue, so might not be visible that much. It's more of an electric thing where they want to show it's electric. This must be the door for the charging point on the back. Again, it's a very different looking truck. It's not like your usual truck, and it's actually a very different truck because here you can fold these seats by taking the glass one and it turns into a big bed. So yeah, different looking truck. Wheels, we have seen these on various different SUVs and trucks by Matchbox, and they actually suit them. So yeah, they look good. Coming on the rear, I know the tail lamp goes all the way, like it has a different design, but again, Matchbox tried to do something. I don't know if it was intentional to like have it on the side only, but I think some part of it goes on the back. I don't know if it was done intentionally or messed up, I don't know, but again, Matchbox tried. That matters. Yeah, if you have fun, let me know if like yours also has like this, or it comes back or wraps around. Apart from that, you can see the side step here on the rear bumper, which Chevy does on a lot of their trucks. Again, the Chevy badge here, which is in detail, and I think this is a multifunction gate, like trunk gate, not trunk gate, bed gate. So bed door, whatever you say. Coming on the passenger side, almost identical, same step, same Silverado return. Only thing different is there's no charging port door on this side. I also like how they finished the bed in the black, looks good. And I don't know if you can see the interior, it's finished in black. And this is how it looks from the bottom because it's an electric truck. So overall, I would say it's a good looking casting, especially for a mainline one. I was able to take a ride on one of these. These are like crazy trucks. It had somewhere around 700 or something horsepower. So yeah, but as a casting, looks good, looks nice. I think Hot Wheels also did one of these, so when I get time, I will do a comparative video. Stay tuned. Well, that's all from my side. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.